Everybody, Varun here from 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏𝗀. Guys, very proud to have one of our online students, Mandeep from Brisbane. He has scored 7 each, overall 72 with 9, band 9 in speaking, 86 in speaking, writing is 69, 66 in reading, 75 in listening, which is a band 7.5. Congratulations, Mandeep. Very well done.
Thanks very much, sir.
Mandeep, I remember when you started, you were in your 60s in your speaking as well, and 55 you got in reading, and now you have got 65 plus, especially you've got 86 in speaking. What do you think was there in this attempt which was missing out in previous attempts which helped you to get this score?
Sir, when I was just giving the previous attempts, I was following the different templates and structures, but nothing was working. But after attending the Language Academy portal and the classes, online classes helped me a lot when I was struggling in the reading, especially because as you can see in my previous, I got only 56, but this time I got 66.
Yeah.
So this was the main reason I was lacking in the reading. But after joining the LA, reading was pretty easy according to me, and speaking unexpected. I was not expecting. I was not thinking that I can achieve 9 each. But after attending Language Academy classes, online classes, and the portals and the feedbacks given by the teachers, amazing, sir. And the best thing I have noticed, the Language Academy portal. You can give your sessional mock test if you are not in the mood to sit for 2 hours for a mock test. You can give the sessional mock test. So, and it is the best portal, I think, because you can check your score in fractions of seconds.
Correct.
Whatever you can get anything.
That's 100% correct. It's very important that you follow the right strategies, right templates, and attend the regular feedback sessions so that you know what mistakes you're making and how to improve on the same. From 64 in speaking to 86 in speaking, that's a lot of improvement. One thing I want to know, Mandeep, now you've got the score. What do you think is important for this test? Do we need to work on the language? Do we need to work on our English speaking skills or overall skills? Or do we need to work on understanding the exam and on the shortcuts?
I think, sir, I was just blindly trusting on the LA teachers. I was nothing following anything. I was just I closed everything when I started classes with you. I was saying no, I'm not gonna do anything except Language Academy. So, sir, I was just following the teachers, what they were saying at that time when I was lacking in the speaking. But, sir, 9 in the speaking. So I'm totally just saying it is happened due to the Language Academy. That's it.
Thank you for that, Mandeep. Guys, very important when you start your classes, whenever you're practicing, things can seem, sometimes they seem difficult. You may think that if this strategy or if this template will work or not, but you need to trust the tutors. They have years of experience. They have taught thousands of students, and that is where we have come up with all these strategies which will help you to get your desired score. Mandeep, any final advice for students preparing for the test? They want to apply for their visa as well, missing by a few points, not sure what to do. Any do's, any don'ts, anything in particular you did to prepare for your test?
Sir, I was just totally scared of the speaking section, but I got 9 because I was a bit, lacking in the describe image and many things like retail lecture. But after attending your classes, I was thinking, oh, what I'm doing, what I was doing right now, what I'm doing now, I'm getting the score. So I think, sir, I don't think so. Student have to follow other templates. Just blindly trust on you. That's it. I want to say because I trusted you, sir, and I attended around 3 weeks class. I think 3 or 4 weeks. That's it. And the main thing is that a video uploaded by you on the YouTube that you just shared me before the exam, position of the mic and the main tricks you just shared with the students.
Yeah.
So just if you having the exam, just close your book. Don't practice anything. Just follow the simple tricks given by you before the exam. That's it. And keep calm. Don't stress. That's it.
That's 100% correct. It's very important that you stay calm in the test. Don't panic, don't stress about anything. You should be calm, you should be confident, and you should trust yourself. You need to make sure you back yourself up. Even if you make a few mistakes, ignore the mistakes and move on. Give your 100% and get your desired score in the very first go. Congratulations, Mandeep. All the very best.
Thanks very much, sir. Thanks very much, sir.
Guys, remember this thing. If Mandeep has done it, if I have done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it as well. You just need to trust the process, follow the strategies, follow the rules, practice on the portal, take as many mock tests as you can, and crack your test in the very first go. If Mandeep has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. Never ever give up. Understand your mistakes, work on the same, and crack your test. Varun from Language Academy, stay safe and take care.